Hi everyone, my name is Yasir Yamin. I'm a tutor for FR, FM and SBR. I've been tutoring these subjects for the last 13, 14 years, and I can assure you that these are one of the most fantastic papers that you opt for in ACCA. Now, I'm here specifically to talk about SBR. After many queries and much demand by many of my students around the world, I have launched SBR course in English. Now, this course comprises of around 70-80 hours of video recorded lectures. These are carefully curated so that you get the best lectures and best lessons of all time. These will be supported by study planner, WhatsApp support of mine, and we will also have weekly live sessions on a regular basis till the date of your exam so that you can prepare well for your examinations. With this, I would like to call you for admissions in March 2025 and June 2025 attempts. Be there. Take care. Bye bye.